Skylife. You don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. You want to dead. Gang, gang, gang. And guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is January 24th, 2020. 2020. I didn't go to work today because I have to conduct some business as it relates to the University of the Technology. We are having device. We are having our annual charity walk around. We're gonna lock down Mobile Sunday. I'm so excited and so proud about it. I want to say a big thank you to the executive body and also to all the members of the seminar group. We've worked very hard, especially in this past week, to get the numbers that we are going to get on Sunday. So I want to just say a big thank you to you guys. I know the work that you've been putting in. I know the pressure you're under, but girl, look clean today. Skylife outfit, red shoes, clean, bad. Girl, you clean. Yeah, so I'm on my way to get my drive now, and yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to capture today, but I'll try to capture my day as much as possible for you guys. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and show the love. I really appreciate you. I have been at school all day. Well, from the last time I talked to her, straight at school, I come. I am preparing the bib numbers for the walkers and runners for Sunday, and I'm going to do some drop-offs. Not sure if I'm going to be able to vlog that, but I just wanted to check in with you guys to tell you what I'm doing and what I'm up to. The girls still be glowing at this hour of the day. In Jamaica right now, it's really cold, so I don't know if the weather have me like glowing differently. So yeah, that me I don't know. Ocean of the year, me alone the year for a week, so me I deal with it right now. Yeah, but I eat out yet. I'm hungry. I'm not really hungry because me eat at every breakfast. My grandmother don't cook for like 6 o'clock. Rice and chicken and pork, fried bread, fruit, plantain, and then big food. I had a big breakfast. Little to no rice, but we still had a big breakfast, so we're kind of good. And I've been like doing intermittent fasting, so it has been a little bit more easier for me. So yeah, checking back with you now. Okay, let me down. So guys, I'm at the airport Parato right now. Can you guess where I'm going?
Yeah.
In a few, I'll let you know. Okay? Out here not that busy right now, but my start actually. But I'll get back with you guys in a few. Hi guys. I'm at an I'm at a fast food place. I eat fried chicken and fries. I was hungry. I haven't eaten anything from there, and this was the only thing that was available. So just get here and done here, man. I'm gonna try exercise tomorrow and things. So, and in the clip before, I was dropping off something at the Island Grill for the 5K. I wasn't leaving the island. We're gonna get pranked basically. So yeah, this is where I end my night. My drive is coming for me, so big up on yourself. I'm baiting. I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. I have a class at 8 o'clock. Crazy hours. So I'll check in with you. Hi guys, good day. I am at Fairview right now. Just on my face. I went to school early this morning, like 8 o'clock my class start, and that's too early for a weekend. I can't manage. Don't know if I'm reach late. Maybe like a half an hour late though. I stopped by Express Fitness because I'm changing my gym. So I think I'm gonna start Express Fitness pretty soon. Like when we start workout again, when we like breeze off for the event, we have the walk run tomorrow. I'm heading to Fontana because we have some business to do there as it relates to the walk run, and tomorrow we're gonna set up there and stuff. So that we're gonna deal with today of the flyers and stuff. But I'm excited about Express Fitness. I never know say it's affordable. Well, I know say it's affordable because I used to go to Express Fitness before and stuff. So I'm excited to finally find one gym home now because I moved from the next gym. And from a move I'm gonna go work out from it. So I'm glad now I get the power to start up. Now I get something to eat now and then wait on the others to get here. And yeah, big up in themselves. So guys, I don't know if you're up in Skylife, there we go. I want to say a big thank you to Fontana Pharmacy for sponsoring us. I'm very grateful, very thankful. So big up on yourself and shop at Fontana all the time. All of your household supplies, you can get it here. Fontana Pharmacy. I think they have 5 locations right across Jamaica. So big them up and check them out. To check out the live for more. And my run not go win, my purse not go win. I bought. Yes. So guys, that person I signed him up. Good morning guys, I've been on live. I'm gonna insert the live clips from when everybody started this morning. I'm out and about, I just showed him a runner, I'm gonna go win clear. He said him win last year, you know. Yeah. No, you can't let me down here, I can't manage it. Look here, the Mario. What make it not work? You can't leave me. Guys, I'm stop like duties. I'm gonna hand out water. So I won't be able to vlog because I'm so busy. So guys, the race is over and we are doing the prize giving now. The person that won is
first place female run, bib 404, time 25:37. 25:37. Round of applause, ladies and gents. Awesome. Please.
Oh, are you next?
Skylife.